Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add bio to your Rednote profile. Rednote profile. Now you've already opened an account, you've done everything you needed to do. Now you are in the Rednote app. Now you want to add bio to your profile. How do you do it? It's very simple. Let me show you. So the first thing you do is click on the me icon at the bottom of your home page, and then click on the profile icon. Okay, the word within profile, and then you can see bio. That's the third one. Then you add a bio. So tap here to add your bio. You can only edit your profile 3 times in 7 days. So in 7 days you only have 3 chances. So your bio can be between 0 to 100. Just have 100 characters. So we put our bio, let's say highly intelligent, whatever, or highly interested. What we don't know. After when you choose your bio, then you click on save. It's as simple as that. That is how to add bio to your Rednote profile. I don't know why I keep saying Redmi. Then you can also generate your personal card to attract more like-minded people to follow you by clicking on post down here. But I don't want to do that, but you can do that if you want. It's as simple as that. See you in the next video. Bye for now.